In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion AI in just a few minutes. Whether you're completely new to Notion AI or just looking for a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the official Notion website. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the starting point of our journey today. Once you arrive there, take a glance towards the top right-hand corner of your screen. You should see an option that says Log In. Go ahead and give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing Notion's powerful tools. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with various options to continue. For simplicity and ease, I recommend selecting Continue with Google. This is a user-friendly way to sign in as it connects seamlessly with your existing Google account. Choose your Google account from the list provided, and just like that, you're logged in. Now that you're into your Notion workspace, the next step is to navigate to your specific page. If you're familiar with Notion, you know that your pages are like your personal playgrounds. They're fully customizable and tailored to your needs. Open the page you'd like to work with. Once you're on your page, locate an empty space. This is where the fun begins, as it's your blank canvas for creativity. Click in this area and press the space bar on your keyboard. This simple action is a bit like opening a toolbox. It lets Notion know you're ready to engage with its AI features. With the space activated, the possibilities with Notion AI unfold before you. Here's where you can decide how you want to harness this powerful technology. Whether you're looking to brainstorm ideas, automate tasks, or organize your workflow, Notion AI has got something for everyone. As you explore these options, feel free to play around and see how each feature can uniquely enhance your productivity. There's no right or wrong way to use Notion AI. It's all about finding what best suits your needs. Plus, this flexibility means you can evolve your use of it as your projects and objectives change. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to get started with Notion AI. Remember, the more you practice, the more intuitive it becomes. So, take your time trying out different features and integrating them into your daily routine. If you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, don't hesitate to explore Notion's community forums or help guides. They offer a wealth of information and can be quite handy. Thanks for joining me today on this quick guide into the world of Notion AI. Best of luck as you implement these steps and begin enhancing your productivity. Until next time, happy notioning.